resins and papers, pigments so sleek, custom crafted with hands that never feel weak.
Hello, 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 everyone. This is Beverly with Custom Created Handmade Crafts, and we are back for another video. Today's video, I have teamed up with Resiners for the Clear Space campaign, and the theme of this campaign is to breathe clean and craft freely. Can your purifier sense what you can't? I think that this Resiners Pure Air definitely can. So stick around and let's see how this Resiners Pure Air operates in a real-time crafting environment. See you soon. So before we get started, I want to show you where the Resiners Pure Air is regarding the total volatile organic compounds, or the VOCs, that are in the air at the current moment. So currently there are 0.059, 0.51. So it's going back and forth in between, but it is not reaching the impact of any organic compounds in the air, volatile organic compounds in the air at the current moment. As you can see, our LED screen sensor is green at the moment. And once it is impacted by the volatile organic compounds, it will turn red. So for instance, if I were to spray hairspray, and this is just generic hairspray, something that is used every day. Let's see if we can get it to sense that. There we go. Did you notice that it turned from the green and it picked up that there's 3 VOCs in the air, TVOCs in the air, and the sensor turned red. So it will count down as it's cleaning the air, in which clean air can happen in real time. So I will let you guys see this on time lapse, how quickly it cleanses the air. And I will see you guys once it is done, and we can see how it operates in crafting. So see, I'm still talking and we're already down to much cleaner, purer air. Isn't that something? So you notice that it is like a lighter lime green at the moment, and once it is there VOC free, it will go to a darker green. So we can time lapse that and you can see it. Be back with you shortly. All right, so we are back to pure air, and let's see what happens when we mix up some resin and put this into the mold. I am working very closely to the pure air so that you all can see the sensor as it changes once I put the resin, once I start mixing the resin, to see if it changes and when it changes, if it does. All right, so I am just going to mix up about, let's say 30 milliliters. We'll do 40 milliliters of the Resiners epoxy resin. Let me do 20 here, and I'll get another cup. So we have 20 milliliters of part B. Get our cup here, and we'll just pour it into this cup. And so far, we do not have any VOCs. And this resin, the Resiners resin, is low odor, so it does have VOCs, but it's very low VOCs. Okay. Try to get as much of part B out of here as I can. And then we're going to mix up part A. Wipe off my hand here. Let's get 20 milliliters of part A. There we go. Get that ripple out of there. Okay, so now part A is mixed in. So what we will do is we will get the two mixed up. I will stir this for about 4 minutes, and then I will come back to you and we will see what happens next. I will time lapse you for this. Okay, so our resin is mixed. It is all clear. What we are going to do next is we are going to put in some glitter. And then what I want to do is I want to put in a drop of Elmer's glue, clear glue. I want to suspend the glitter. And 1 drop should be good, I'm thinking, but we'll see. Every resin is different. And I added in the glue to see if it would change the VOCs in the resin. What the glue does is make it kind of gloopy so that the glitter will stay suspended in it. I do apologize for mixing up my words, guys. All right, so yeah, you see we have a gloopy mess here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add this into the mold. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the mold. But what I want to do first is I want to spray some 91% isopropyl alcohol into the mold. Now this Resiners Purair Purifier is definitely going to go off with this. We know that our resin pretty much does not have any VOCs, but we know that this isopropyl alcohol is definitely going to be impacted by the purifier. So let me go ahead and spray the mold. You'll be able to see the sensor change from green to red, and I will pour the resin. So that is it. There we go. That's how quickly that changes. Okay. And what I want to do is take you guys up so that you can see the screen as to where the VOCs are at the moment. So let's take you up. I'm hoping you can see the screen and check it out. 9.999 VOCs in the air at the moment. And the purifier is at full capacity, full wind speed. It's on the 3rd channel. We have it set on automatic so that it does automatically catch any of the VOCs that are in the air. It is currently going down, as you can see. And this takes some time to get back to our clear air. So I will give you guys a time lapse over time, and that way you can see that. All right. So I'll finish pouring these and I will be back with you shortly. All right, so we are back. And guys, did you notice during that that time lapse that I showed you the wind speed of the Pure Air? It has 3 gears, and it has very high wind quality, guys. So definitely this Pure Air is cleansing the air so that you can breathe clean and create freely. And I love this Resiners Pure Air. I do think before I received it, that my air quality still was not getting clean enough. And so I have noticed a major difference in my life since I have had it, especially when I'm crafting. So be sure to get you one as well. I do have a discount code in the description of the video for you, so you can save 15% off of yours. And also, there is a giveaway that Resiners will have. It is going to be November 20th through the 27th, and you can win a filter kit bundle or a Christmas resin starter set, an artist collaboration piece, or a $100 Amazon gift card. So follow at resiners.official and share how you keep your space clean to enter. And I will have the at resiners.official on the screen for you, so that way you can jot that down if you need to. All right, guys, so that is my time. I am going to get out of your hair, but remember to breathe clean and create freely with your Resiners Pure Air Purifier. Thank you, Resiners, for this great product, and I am looking forward to more products like this in the future. See you all. Take care. Hugs and love. Hugs and love, guys. Bye-bye.
Watch as the colors start to sing. Custom created, it's one of a kind. Masterpieces born in a creative mind. Every detail, every stroke puts magic in the crafts we invoke. Handmade dream in every gleam. Custom crafts that beam and stream. From the mind to the head.